Welcome to Toon Tots ABC. Cutest baby animals, wild and free. Learn their names and sounds today. Come and join us, let's all play. Be small and bright. My little roar goes roar, roar. Oh, what a mighty mane, and stomp my paws. I roar with all my might. I'm a baby elephant, big ears, little toes. I lift my trunk and toot, toot, and water freely flows, goes. Hop, 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 hop. I'm a bunny, white as winter snow. My ears go boing, hop, hop, putting on a show. I bat my paws at woolly balls and watch them roll just so. Purr, 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 I'm cozy, warm, and steal the whole show. Yellow as the sun, I paddle through the pond all day. Splashing is such fun. Quack, 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 till the evening comes and the day is done.
Moo, I'm a calf in a field so green. My spots are black and white, the prettiest you've seen. Moo, 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 I'm the sweetest calf there's ever been.
Roar and toot and hop and meow, quack and moo, hooray! Animals are learning, singing, playing today. Dance together, spin together, hip, 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 hooray! Bye-bye, friends. We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. Hooray! Dive on in and come with me. Cutest animals beneath the sea. I'm a baby dolphin. Splash, splash, splash. Leaping through the waves with every dash. I'm a baby octopus. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whee! I'm a baby whale, big and blue. Whoosh goes my blowhole, just for you. I'm a baby crab, click, click, click. Side to side, I walk so quick. I'm a baby turtle, slow and sweet, swimming through the waves on tiny feet. All together, let's all play, splash and whoosh and click all day. Let's play all day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here. We'll learn again. Come with me. Jungle animals, let's learn and see. I'm a baby lion, roar, roar, roar. Lit color, little cubby paws, let's hear some more. I'm a baby elephant, toot, toot, toot. Watch me spray my trunk, it's so cute. I'm a baby monkey, ooh, ooh, ooh. Swinging on the vines, I love it too. I'm a baby tiger, grr, grr, grr. Orange stripes and spots, see my fur. I'm a baby giraffe, so, so tall. Reaching up the tree, I love it all. All together, let's all play. Roar and toot and ooh, ooh, all day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here. We'll learn again. Hello, friends. Come along with me. Funny farm and animals. Let's learn and see. I'm a baby cow, moo, moo, moo. I say moo, moo. How about you? I'm a baby pig, oink, oink, oink. Muddy little nose that goes oink, oink. I'm a baby chick, cheep, cheep, cheep. Tiny yellow wings that go cheep, cheep. I'm a baby sheep, ba! Fluffy, white, and soft, ba, ba, ba. Baby horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. Gallop, gallop fast, all through the day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here. We'll learn again. All together, let's all play. Moo and oink and neigh all day. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Oh dear, oh my. Baby bee's lost honey. She starts to cry. Bug friends, come, let's find it today. Down the tunnel, hip hip hooray. Baby butterfly flapped her wings so bright. Don't worry, bee, I'll be your light. Down they flew through tunnels deep, glowing crystals in a heap. Baby ladybug crawled with a grin. I found tiny footprints, let's go in. Her red spots glowed like lights so small, leading friends along the hall. Baby caterpillar wiggled with a song. Wiggle, 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 come along. Through the mossy tunnel, soft and green, the cutest wiggly thing you've ever seen. Baby firefly glowed so gold and bright, turning all the tunnels into light. Follow me, the honey pot is very, very neat. Behind the crystals, glowing gold so grand, honey pot was there, right at hand. Baby bee cried yay and clapped with glee. Thank you, friends, you found it just for me. All together, let's all play. Buzz and glow and woo and wiggle all day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here, we'll learn again. Oh, friends, come and see. Cutest baby birds, wild and free. Floating islands in the sky. Cutest feathered friends that fly. I'm a baby sparrow, tweet, tweet, tweet. Hopping on my island with tiny feet. I'm a baby parrot, hello, hello. Colorful and bright like a rainbow. Hello, hello, hello. I'm a baby owl, hoot, hoot, hoot. Wise and fluffy. In my starry suit. I'm a baby penguin, waddle, waddle. Sliding on my island, what a paddle! I'm a baby peacock, shake, shake, shake. Rainbow tail so petty, what a take! All together, let's all play, tweet and hoot, and shake all day! Bye-bye, friends! See you soon! Come back here, we'll learn again! Hello, friends, come and see! Cutest dinosaurs, wild and free. Big and small, let's explore. Rory dino friends and so much more. I'm a baby T-Rex! Tiny little arms, but I want more! I'm a fire dragon, puff, puff, puff. Rainbow flames from my mouth, watch my stuff! I'm a triceratops, 1, 2, 3. 3 big horns and so cute, see? I'm a stegosaurus, stomp, stomp, stomp. Colorful my plates go, chomp, chomp, chomp. I'm a brachiosaurus, so tall. Reaching up the treetops, I love it all. I'm a pterodactyl, flap, flap, flying through the clouds and back to back. All together, puff and play, rainbow fire and roar all day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here, we'll learn again. Yo! The sun is setting, sky is gold. Safari friends are bold and bold. Drums are beating, let's begin. Savanna jam is starting. Black and white, stripes are bopping left and right. Count my stripes, 1, 2. Zebra's got the beat, you see. Giraffe, giraffe, so cool. Longest neck in Savanna school.
elephant, trunk so long, swaying left and right with a song, splish and splash and
Boom, boom, boom.
elephant's got the biggest groove.
Boom, boom, boom.
Cheetah, fast and free, quickest animal you'll ever see. Zip and zoom and go, 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 golden streak across the glow.
Whoa! Lion, roar so loud. Golden mane is glowing proud. King of Savanna, hear me say, hip, hip, yay!
All together, let's all play, stripe and stomp and roar all day. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. Come back here. We'll jam again. Welcome, welcome, one and all, to Toy Town's biggest, brightest ball. 6 little pets have come to play. It's the Fun Day Championship today.
Puppy runs and kitten bouncy beats. Hamster spins with happy cheer. Parrot sings for all to hear. 6 pet friends ready to The whistle blows, the race begins. Tiny paws and tiny fins. Puppy zooms past left and right, racing fast with all his might. Now it's time to jump up high. Little paws reach for the sky. Kitten leaps with graceful flair, twirling, spinning through the air. Round and round the wheel goes fast. Who will spin and who will last? Hamster spins with tiny feet, round and round to a speedy beat. Hop, hop, hop on lily pads, the bounciest game we've ever had. Bunny hops the farthest yet, best little hopper of all the pets. Microphone is shining bright. Who will sing with all their might? Parrot tweets a cheerful song. Everyone sings right along. Dive into the crystal stream. Bubbles glow with golden gleam. Goldfish swims the fastest lane, sparkling all the way again. All 6 rounds have come and gone. Every pet played all day long. Count the points, and here's the news. Bunny wins the golden shoes. Toy Town cheers with love and light. Every pet shown big and bright. See you next time, friends. Come back soon for another fun day.
Deep in the jungle stood an ancient, mysterious temple. Reptile friends arrived to explore. Legends spoke of them. Could they work together and find the treasure?
A huge stone wall with hidden symbols blocked the path. Nobody knew which one to press. Clever Chameleon changed colors to match the wall and spotted the secret glowing button. The water was too deep and too fast to cross. Brave Crocodile splashed in with a big smile, and everyone rode safely across on his back.
Led toward the treasure room, but it was way too small anyone to enter. Sneaky Snake slithered inside and pulled the ancient golden lever. The secret door opened. The bridge began to shake and rattle. Everyone froze, scared to... Wise old Turtle moved slowly. He found the safe stones and led everyone across. Iguana noticed sunlight streaming through the ceiling cracks. He pointed to where the beams hit, a hidden chamber door. The legendary golden sun crystal, shining bright.
The 6 friends cheered, hugged, and danced with joy. See you next time, little friendship and teamwork. Explorers, keep being curious.